You know why you're here. I know why you're here. There is no way in hell you're gonna sit with your boys and ask them how to make your penis look bigger. Or have a talk with your dad. Ain't no one gonna look at you the same way. But that's why you subscribe to this channel, so I can help you grow in all aspects of life. Today I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do, super easy steps, so you can make your package look bigger. If that sounds interesting, top into it. Number one, make sure you're buying the right underwear. Think of your balls and your pee-pee like spread. When your spread is all together and lumped, it creates a nice, visible, potent mound. It's substantial, but what happens as soon as you spread your spread? And now, spread's thin. Wow, Jose, you're like Aristotle. I know, I'm like the modern day Plato. That was genius, but you get the point. It drew a picture in your mind. When you wear boxer briefs or stuff that just lets your boys flop all over the place, it's gonna look substantially smaller because you're spreading it thin. Instead, you wanna wear underwear that groups your package together and holds it in place all day. Something that's not stretched out, and preferably something like this that has a comfortable package in the front that will keep them there all day, grouped together without them moving all over the place. Not to mention, it's just more comfortable because you don't have to be adjusting or readjusting throughout the day. Number two, trim the hedges. This is probably the fastest and easiest way to get visual length on your boy, because this is just basic physics or geometry. I don't know, but you get the point. Pretty much, if your hedge is growing out of control and your boy is barely peeking out, it's gonna look substantially smaller if you were to just trim down the hedges, and all of a sudden, your flagpole is nice and erect. This is why I tell you guys so many times that manscaping is important, and I get it. Manscaping is a complicated, dark terrain to dive into, and so many guys don't even know how to do it because, again, you're not gonna ask your boys, you're not gonna ask your father, but that's why you're watching this video. Manscaping no longer is hard thanks to our sponsor, Manscaped, a company that finally decided to create the products, to create a kit that we men can use to keep the hedges trimmed down and make our boys look better. Like, literally, you wanna make your package look more handsome? This is the kit you need to check out. This right here is the Manscaped Perfect Package. But what kind of like the golden boy or the shining star of this package is this right here, the Lawnmower 2.0. This trimmer right here is my go-to trimmer when it comes to trimming down the hedges, because this bad boy does a job that no other trimmer in the market does. Since it's ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in your hand, it makes it a breeze to go in there into that complex terrain to easily be able to manage the hedge without it being overcomplicated. But more importantly, and what you probably will want to hear, is that thanks to this ceramic blade, this thing is nick-proof, meaning your soft, loose skin, you're all safe. You don't have to worry about nicks or cuts, even if you decide to go without a clip guard. And here's another cool feature about this that you probably won't find in any other trimmer. These trimmer heads are replaceable. So if you sign up to their subscription service, every 3 months, they're gonna send you trimmer heads, these ceramic trimmer heads that you can easily just pop off and pop on and replace every 3 months to make sure that your trimmer is hygienic, and even more importantly, your blades are sharp to make sure that your hedging and your trimming down is a breeze. Now, this Lawnmower 2.0 is rechargeable and water resistant, which means you can do it in the shower, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and then just keep moving on. You don't have to waste any time. So you're gonna get that whole package plus the DOP kit that you see here, this leather DOP kit that's $40. This DOP kit's completely free to you, by the way, just if you guys check out the package, which is gonna be linked down below. On top of the free leather DOP kit, you're gonna get 20% off and free shipping. It's a no-brainer, boys. If you don't manscape or don't have the tools to manscape, this is the toolkit that you need, and at this freaking steal, what are you waiting for? If you guys want to check it out, it's going to be linked down below. Number 3, you want to get healthy. Now, yes, your penis can only get as big as your natural girth and length that you were born with. However, most men don't reach proper length when they're erected because they don't have proper blood flow. And this is the result of being lazy, overweight, high cholesterol, or even diabetes. So you have to make sure that your cardiovascular system, it's in check. You're getting your workout in and you're eating healthy to make sure that your raging bull is at its fullest potential. Number 4, you want to arrange. Every model does it, and it's pretty much called the pull and tuck, where kind of what I talked in the first tip, you want to make sure everything's bunched together, but you want to tuck it upwards. When you tuck the whole package together, it makes a more potent mound, something substantial that makes it look bigger. Literally, every model does it. We just hired a model for Essentials, and he modeled all the underwear. This guy is a complete pro. He's modeled for Versace, Dolce & Gabbana. The dude's a stud, and he was telling us stories of when he models underwear. Most of the time, it's super invasive in Italy, to the point that these designers like Dolce & Gabbana himself will come literally pull their underwear, adjust their package for them to make sure everything looks perfect for the photo shoots. Like, it's super invasive, but you get the point. This is a modeling secret, and that's why on pictures, these guys look like they're built like Greek gods. Number 5. Oh man, this one's embarrassing. I mean, it's all good if you do it, but I'm gonna give you the tip anyways. You can pack it. Now, do I recommend this? In short, no. But this is called packing. And if you want to stack your deck in your favor, you could pack it to make it seem as if you print. Like I said, is this smart? Probably not. Will it get you out of a pinch? Heck yeah. And finally, number 6. You have to lose weight. Forget the magic pills or creams that you've probably seen that tells you that you can grow 5 inches in length. That's not based on science. Like I told you, what you were born with naturally, that's as big as you can get. However, you can reach its full potential if you lose weight. Just like trimming down the hedges make it look taller, if you remove surrounding fat, it'll give you that same visual benefit to your boy to make it look bigger. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Manscaped. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.